The most carbon Mercedes S63 in the world. Let's go! Let's start with the front. It's the huge part, the front grille that consists of 15 different parts, all made of carbon fiber. Here you can see the hugest air intake inserts with a custom designed by our company, custom designed inserts made of carbon fiber. The front lip consists of two parts and glued together to make it the best look of the front fascia. All other parts like the front inserts, the front lower grille, all the parts that you can see on the front made of the carbon fiber. Let's go to the side. 22 custom-made forged wheels made specifically for this exact project. By the way, we are manufacturer of the forged carbon wheels. So for any car that you might imagine, we can make any specs, any design, just imagine and we will make it come true. Here you can see the side carbon wing inserts and all letters, all logos made of carbon fiber. On the side, here's the mirror caps made of carbon fiber, door handle inserts with our logos made also with using carbon fiber. On the side, you can see the small piece of molding made of carbon fiber. This is the standard stock moldings, but we make it from any different weave of carbon fiber. And this is our design carbon fiber with also our logos. You can install and glue our logo everywhere on this kit. On the rear view, we made the roof spoiler, the mid spoiler, all made of carbon fiber. A whole set of different AMG, Mercedes and S63 logos made of carbon fiber. The rear trunk trim consists of 3 pieces and also made of carbon fiber. Take a closer look at the diffuser. This part is massive and consists of 8 different parts. So it's the stock diffuser that are made of carbon fiber, and on top of it we installed our design diffuser. And I also can assure you, if you have the S63 with the stock carbon fiber parts, we can make our design parts with the same weaving as your stock carbon fiber. But my favorite thing of this project is the sound, because we made the custom exhaust system. It's bolt-on fitment and can be made of stainless steel or titanium. Just let's listen to the sound. Damn! Also, here's the idea of how we can make the interior look great and luxurious. For example, we made a different red accents to this interior. We made the red seat belts with red accents, so you can make it more luxurious and stylish just by looking as we do. Another key point of our body kit is the ground clearance. It changed with the whole body kit. It changed only by 1.5 centimeters. It's less than 1 inch, so you won't see any difference between the stock and our ground clearance. Our company ships and install our body kits worldwide. So our official dealers, distributors around the globe can easily and smooth install our body kits without any problems. They had all installation guides, so don't worry about that. This is the short review of our Mercedes-Benz S63 body kit. All other questions you can ask us directly. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.